Uncover the profound wisdom of Alan Watts as we present 20 enlightening facts about the rhythms of life, revealing how the less you seek, the more you'll truly find. When life gets busy, pause, take a breath, and reset your mind. Ever since I can remember, I found the universe absolutely amazing. The fact that I existed at all seemed astonishing. If there is any such thing at all as intelligence, love, and beauty, well, you found it in other people. It exists in us as human beings. The universe is fundamentally a system which creeps up on itself and then laughs at itself for jumping. Our ego is something abstract. It has the same order and kind of reality as an hour, or an inch, or a pound, or a line of longitude. You can think intellectually in a no-think way. It means not to be fooled by thoughts. Not to be hypnotized by the forms of speech and images that we have for the world into thinking that that is the way the world really is. We understand everything in terms of words or numbers, and they're stretched out in rows and lines. We may have to come to the alarming conclusion that the universe is smarter than we are. Our success is a failure. We are building up an enormous technological civilization which seems to promise the fulfillment of every wish almost at the touch of a button. But the riches that we produce are ephemeral. The health of the whole landscape begins to look like the nursery of a spoiled child who's got too many toys and is bored with them and throws them away as fast as he gets them. We are dedicated to a tremendous war on the basic material dimensions of time and space. We want to obliterate their limitations. For the vast majority of American families, what seems to be the real point of life, what you rush home to get to, is to watch an electronic reproduction of life. It has been said that our modern systems of communication are an extension into the external world of man's nervous system. The extension of the nervous system electronically means the end of privacy. You must dance. Everybody is in touch with everybody else in such a way that it reveals their inmost thoughts, and there is no longer any individuality. After attempting to control your thoughts, you would say to hell with it. I'll think just the way I feel like thinking. What we're afraid of is that some power will control all of us by this method. It's perfectly proper to exhibit people's plugging and slaying each other, but oh dear no, not people loving each other. One can only draw the conclusion that the assumption underlying this is that expressions of physical love are far more dangerous than expressions of physical hatred. A culture that has that sort of assumption is basically crazy and devoted unintentionally indeed, but nevertheless in fact devoted not to survival, but to the actual destruction of life.